Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. In today's video, we will talk about HelpScout and we will compare it to Intercom, so we can discover if HelpScout provides an ideal collection of tools that will help your business stand out in enhancing your sales and giving better experiences to leads and visitors. But before we go any further, don't forget that softwaretrailers.com constantly offers the latest collection of software on the web. We will leave a special link in the description below to access this and other great digital tools. Now, let's dive into HelpScout. Regardless of the size of your business, HelpScout aims to deliver excellent customer experiences to increase scalability and profitability, helping your products and services exceed your customers' expectations. With this in mind, HelpScout uses software tools to serve people in the most helpful way possible. Satisfying customers is this company's primary goal, and their services are vastly used from small businesses to startups and nonprofits. Customer satisfaction is a cornerstone for HelpScout and a value that differentiates them from its competition. Intercom is a flexible platform that can be used by a wide range of organizations, but customer service has never been their core focus. Let's look at why HelpScout would be a better fit in this circumstance. Reviewers at G2 ranked HelpScout higher than Intercom in crucial aspects like setup, performance, and management. Additionally, the HelpScout's crew is also available by chat or email 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. They also don't demand contracts and merely charge for usage. Instead, they believe in upfront pricing to save time, so you'll know what you're getting and how much it'll cost right away. HelpScout's customer service solutions are built for businesses that care about their customers. Most corporate software companies create for their biggest customers who have varying needs and budgets. Talking to customers is customer service. You can start having chats in minutes with HelpScout and establish yourself with fewer clicks. Even a sophisticated support arrangement doesn't need outside consultants or specialist admin teams. HelpScout can handle it with processes, tags, custom fields, and reporting. They all work together to let you focus on the most crucial part of your job, client communication. Intercom is still a viable alternative if your company focuses on product or marketing, whereas HelpScout is primarily focused on customer assistance. Additionally, if bots are a significant part of your strategy, Intercom should be considered. However, there are presently no plans to integrate chatbots into the HelpScout product. If you like what you hear about HelpScout, check out a link to buy their services in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of other great videos about software like this one. Now that we saw how you can trust a service like HelpScout, let us review what makes this platform so useful for your company. To start, whether you have 2 or 200 people, you may share email inboxes to keep everyone updated. Thus, you'll be able to move swiftly while still offering personal service. Second, you can keep your customers informed by incorporating help articles on your website. Then, using the tool called Beacon, you can deliver quick answers without leaving your website. Third, you can use chat to settle a problem or close a deal in real time. If no one is present, consumers are referred directly to email. Fourth, HelpScout's easy-to-read reports will let you manage your team and track their performance. In addition, this tool allows you to filter and export any necessary data quickly. And finally, you can connect to over 50 integrations and tools to improve your everyday processes. If you like what you heard about HelpScout, check out the link in the description below. Also, if you like this software video, feel free to check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers and subscribe to our channel. We are sure you will find what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. See you next time.